Most coffee shops are silently losing money every single day. Not because their coffee is bad, but because their photos are. Bad lighting, flat colors, drinks or meals that don't look craveable at all. And the crazy part is this: you can fix this in under 10 minutes with AI and turn it into a $200 to $1,000 per month service. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to turn any cafe's existing photos into high-end, Instagram-worthy visuals, how to package this into a paid offer, and how this fits into a much bigger AI content business model. If you're new here, I'm Leah, an AI content strategist. I help creators and business owners turn AI into monetizable content systems. Here's what most cafe owners don't realize. People don't choose where to get coffee from menus anymore. They choose from visuals, Instagram, Google Maps, or delivery apps. And when a coffee shop's photos look dark, dull, or low quality, the brain subconsciously labels the entire brand as low quality. That means fewer walk-ins, fewer saves, fewer shares, and fewer customers. Most cafes already have great products. Their visuals are just killing their conversion. This is where AI product photography becomes powerful, because you don't need to reshoot anything. You can take their existing photos, screenshots, old Instagram posts, Google images, and transform them into professional, warm, premium visuals in minutes. And businesses gladly pay for this because it directly affects how many people walk through their door. Let me show you how this actually works. First, open Gemini and switch to the Nano Banana Pro image model. This model is very good at enhancing real products while keeping them accurate. Now, Gemini has daily limits and watermarks. So if you want to do this professionally, I personally recommend using Nano Banana Pro through OpenArt. It gives you more generations, better consistency, and clean images you can actually deliver to clients. I'll leave the link I use in the description below. Next, go to Google Maps and type coffee shops near me. Click into a few cafes and scroll through their photos. You're looking for bad lighting, dark interiors, drinks, or meals that don't pop, and amateur-looking posts. These are perfect clients. Pick one and screenshot a drink, meal, or table photo. Let me give you an example for a pastry image. Upload the image into Nano Banana Pro and use a prompt like this. Turn this into a professional shot, Michelin-level blueberry cheesecake photograph of the exact same meal. The cafe wants to use it for marketing purposes. Create a premium cafe atmosphere like a high-end coffee shop in Los Angeles. Ultra-realistic, professional food photography style, cinematic color grading, high detail, 4K quality, then generate. When you put these side by side, the difference is obvious. The original looks like a phone photo, the new one looks like a brand. And this is the exact moment where business owners mentally shift, because they realize their product didn't change. Their perception did. Here's more examples of images I generated using the same strategy. If you want the prompts I used to generate them, I've linked the document in the description below. Here's how you turn this into income. You don't sell one photo, you sell a visual system. For cafes, I would structure it like this: monthly AI photo refresh, drink and interior visuals, seasonal content, promo and menu visuals, and price it between $200 and $1,000 per month, depending on volume. To land clients, you use controlled proof. Take 2 or 3 of their existing photos, enhance them, and message them on Instagram DMs or email them with something like, "Hey, I specialize in AI product photography for cafes. I created a few enhanced versions of your photos to show you what's possible visually. Feel free to use them. If you like them, I offer monthly visual packages to upgrade your entire online presence." You're not pitching, you're showing. And this is just one lane. Cafe product photography is one example inside a much bigger AI content monetization ecosystem. Creators and business owners right now are building scalable income streams using AI influencers, AI UGC systems, and AI product photography like this. I put together a free guide called the AI Content Monetization Map. You can download it free in the description below. Also, this year I'm locking in and posting consistently on Instagram. So if you want daily free value, make sure you follow me there too. See you in the next video.